Here we are. We're actually mountain trekking. Ah, this is the real thing. See, we're hiking on a mountain trail.
Okay, baby?
And
Well, I figured you were.
this is something
She's
else.
taking pictures.
This is something else, huh?
Oh no, Auntie. I'm good cook.
Once in a while you look back, see if I'm still at your back, okay?
Yeah, I normally stay behind because when I find something you like, I just
Wow. We're in the middle of a forest on a mountain. I can't believe this. I did this. The last time I did this was when I was a Boy Scout, and that was some 30 years ago, probably.
Is this a vine? Looks like it. How did that? It comes from the ano.
Yeah,
First time to see.
it's what Tarzan used
Oh.
when he was here. What's the tour guide saying?
American doctors. And
Okay,
is the biggest hospital.
that's
But this is the original road.
according to the tour guide. There used to be a quarters there for doctors and nurses, medical personnel. Probably flattened by a direct hit. Oh, look at that. Mangoes everywhere. According to the tour guide, only monkeys eat mangoes here. So I told him I better not eat mangoes here, because only mangoes eat, or only monkeys eat the mangoes. What am I saying? Now, when you're out of the forest, you come to the hospital ruins. Okay, this is a long stretch of building structure that was once
So this is the
upon a
hospital,
time
ma'am,
a
sir.
hospital.
Can we get
Okay.
in? No.
No, we'll explore the hospital. So we can't go in front. But this one, this is the original road.
Accordingly, this is the original road around the hospital ruins, and we're trying to go around to look at more angles. This is the front of the hospital.
American flag. So Corregidor, May 6 surrender. But Bataan, April 9, almost 78,000 for the death march. But Corregidor is not joined for the death march because Corregidor is May 6, so 27 days to fight the Japanese. So take photo. Yes.